Earth has a huge diversity of living things. There are animals, plants, fungi, protists, and bacteria, and each group contains many different organisms. To study this diversity more easily, scientists use classification. Classification is the process of sorting organisms into groups based on shared characteristics. A characteristic is a feature of an organism, such as how it gets food, whether it has many cells or one cell, how it moves, or the structures it has. Classification helps scientists organize living things, identify unknown organisms, and communicate clearly. If scientists use the same classification system, they can talk about the same organism without confusion, even if they are working in different countries. Organisms with many features in common are usually placed in groups that are more closely related. A kangaroo belongs to the animal group because it is multicellular and eats other organisms. A gum tree belongs to the plant group because it is multicellular and makes its own food using light. A mushroom belongs to the fungi group because it does not make its own food like a plant. Bacteria belong together because they are tiny single-celled organisms. Many algae are classified as protists because they are often simple organisms that live in water. Classification systems can change over time. When scientists discover new evidence, such as DNA evidence, microscope evidence, or new species, they may need to change how organisms are grouped. This means classification is not just about naming living things. It is a scientific system for showing patterns, similarities, and relationships in the diversity of life on Earth.